How to remove WhatsApp switch account. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove WhatsApp switch account. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp on your device. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find the option of switch account. If you want to remove that, then tap on the settings option. Now select account. If you have added another account on your WhatsApp, then you're going to find the option of remove account. Go ahead and select that. Now go ahead and tap on remove account again. Then tap on remove to confirm. Once you do that, the switch account option will be successfully removed. Now if you again want to add the switch account option, then you will have to tap on the add account option and add another phone number. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.